obtained at the center by a chord of a circle radius 6 cm is 120 degrees. Find the length of the chord. In this question, we are going to find the length of the chord. Remember the cycle theorem. Then the chord is any line that crosses the circle which is not a diameter is called a chord. Then this line is a chord, it's not a diameter. Then it subtends and make an angle of 120 degrees. Then if you divide the angle, here is 60, here is 60 degrees. Also here is 60 degrees. Then the radius is here and here is 6 centimeter. Okay, then now we are going to calculate the chord given. We are going to use Cycle methods for you to find which angle are you looking for. Since the opposites and the hypotenuse is given, then we are going to use the acronym that is, if sine is given, if there is opposite of our hypotenuse is equals to sine theta, cos is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse, tan theta is equals to opposite all over adjacent. Now we are going to say we have sine theta is equals to opposite angle all over hypotenuse. In this question, the opposite angle is given and the hypotenuse also is given. Here we can have r is the opposite all over hypotenuse is equals to 6. This is equals to sine, the angle is sine 60 degrees. Remember, sine 60 degrees is a special angle. Then we can simplify it into a fraction form. We can say r all over 6 is equals to 3 root 2, based on the sine 60 degrees equals to root 3 all over 2. And now we are going to do cross multiply, where we have 2r is equals to 6 multiplied by root 3. Then if you have 2r is equals to 6 root 3, then we can divide both sides by the coefficient of the radius given. Here 2 cancel out. We have r is equals to, here 6, we can reduce this 6 with this 2, where we have 3 root 3. And again, for you to simplify this, remember that we are calculating the length of the chord, where the chord is not the radius here. We are going to, the chord is 2 times the radius. Therefore, we have radius is equals to 2 times this. We have 2 times 3 root 3. The radius is equals to 2 times 3 is equals to 6 root 3. That's the length of the chord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.